DuanesWorld, it's me, Duane the BoozinBlogger, coming at you with another episode of Cooking with DuanesWorld. That's right, folks. So today we're going to make what they call a one-pot taco spaghetti. That's right, we're making spaghetti. So basically you need some olive oil, ground beef, onion, taco seasoning, Rotel onions, or I'm using accents, but I mean it's basically the same thing. Some spaghetti, which we're using spaghettini, and water and cheddar cheese. We're using the double cheddar because, well, that's what I have handy. And so let's get her going. Okay, so first you got to put 4 tablespoons of virgin olive oil into a pan, which is a big pan. Okay, so we take the 4. All right, there we go. Our 4 tablespoons are in. Yes, they are. Our 4 tablespoons are in. Okay. All right, so we got our oil in, right? Slurp it around there. We take all our hamburger and drop our hamburger in. We're using medium. And we need onion, my favorite part. You can always make it without onion too. Like, I mean, if you don't like onions. But I love onions, and this is the way we're going to do it. So we've got, it says for a half cup of onions. So basically I take my little chopper thing here. So we cut her into 4 and put her in this portable dicer. One of the greatest things I've ever bought, and I think it was like 10 or 12 bucks at Walmart. So it was a great deal. I use it so often too. We've actually got 2 of them now. Okay, then we take the rest of our onion, pop her in there with the meat and the oil. Said I add garlic all the time, and I take about a teaspoon. Yeah, just a teaspoon of this. Flop her right there in the meat concoction with the onions and stuff. So now we put this skillet on the stove. Can you see me over there with the stove? Yes, you can. Now we brown up the meat some and get the onion translucent. All right, so now she's starting to simmer some. So we're gonna start moving this meat and onions and garlic. We're gonna start that's all you do to cook or brown your meat. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, like I've said more times than one, if I can do it, anybody can. Alrighty, so now we're going to, it's all cooked, but we gotta get rid of the grease. I get this so I can drain it. Alright. Draining all the grease. Alright, so with the grease drained, put it back on the burner. You're going to add your diced tomatoes, your accents. Okay. And then you're going to add your taco seasoning as well. Okay, add your taco seasoning. Okay. Stir it around just a little bit. Okay, make sure you get her mixed in well. Looks good, smells amazing. Okay. Alright, so now you add your water. You need 6 cups of water. So there's 2. There's 6. And then 16 ounces of spaghetti. Just take the spaghetti, put it right in there. Okay, so got our spaghetti in, all the additives in there, with the exception of our cheese, which comes in later. Now we just wait for it to boil. And once you boil, we got something else to do. All right, so now we've got her into a full-blown boil. Now we reduce heat to simmer. We put our cap on it. Our chapeau. And then we takes about 10 or 15 minutes of this. Then we go back at her again. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to drain just a little bit of this water out. This is what she looks like so far, folks. Looks pretty good, eh? If I don't say so myself. So now we add some cheese. I got a cup. Okay, maybe close to 2 cups, but it says to sprinkle on a cup. Stir it in. See you watching this? Yeah. Alright, so now we've got this on. Turn off our stove. Bring it over here. Alright, so now it says to top with cheese, and I don't think there's enough to top with, so guess what? We're going to get some more. Yeah, that's not enough to top with. You need cheese, folks! You absolutely need cheese! You can never have too much cheese on something. Oh wow, unless you're lactose intolerant. And that's not a good thing for you. Alright, folks, so we have it. 1 taco spaghetti. See how easy it was, folks? That's right. Let's give her a try. What do you think? Look at that steam. She's hot. Tell you that. All right. I guess let's get some of this into me. Suppose I need a fork too, eh? Can't just shovel her down. Guess what, folks? We have a winner. There you go. Another successful episode. Cooking with DuanesWorld. So, remember, subscribe to my channel. I can always use more subscribers. We do these once a week. Then I got my blog on Friday. Sometimes I add shorts in the middle. So you're never left with nothing from DuanesWorld. So, yes, subscribe to my channel. Be nice to each other. Be nice to be good to yourself. And remember the most important thing in life, folks. Don't be a fucking asshole.